So for our students' word study, we have a list of words for the students to study and sort. First, we're going to talk about the linguistic features of these words to better understand how they can be sorted. When we look at this particular set of words, we can see that they all have an initial digraph. And what that is the sounds ch, th, sh, and where's the last one? And w. This is those two letters that work together to make one sound. These words also each have a short vowel sound. For example, in the word shack, it uses the short A, and that A sounds like sh-ack. But if you were to use the word shake, for example, the A sounds like A, so it has a long vowel sound. There are other features that are included in these words that aren't the main focus of the sort, meaning that they aren't used as frequently. For example, we have the double L in shell. The two L's blend together to make the ul sound. And then a few words have ending digraphs, like the CK in chick and the CH in which. Okay, so now we're going to discuss the three types of sorts that can be used with this list of words. And first we have the closed sort. Closed sorts are when students are given the categories to sort the words into. This sort is great when they are new at learning a specific spelling characteristic. Say they just learned about a certain digraph. We would have those digraphs displayed as categories to support their practice of recognizing that digraph in words. So you would give your student the categories listed. We have the short A, the short I, and the short E. And then they would say the words out loud and listen for that short A sound or that short I sound or whatever it would be. So for example, the, at, that, they would hear the short A, that. That would go under the short A category. Chill, ch, ill. Shell, sh, l. Ch, ip, chip. Ch, ap, chap. Sh, ack, shack. Sh, ed, ch, ick. So they would just sort all the words until every word is in a category. After you do the short vowel sounds, you could do the digraph headers where you put TH, CH, SH at the top, so then they could then sort by the digraphs. Okay, so next we have open sorts. Open sorts are when the students are not given the header or the categories to sort the words into. They have to sort the words themselves into the categories that they see fit. This gets the student thinking about the linguistic features of each word, and it helps them practice the features that they've previously learned. So for an open sort of this, they would look at the words and they would try and find the patterns which match. So we can see that they would first say them, look at them and then say them. That. Okay, let's go to the next word. Chill. That does not sound the same. That chap. So that would go there because it both has that short A sound. Shell, chill. That shell gets its own category because it does not sound the same. Chill, chip. Shack, chap. Shed, shell. Them, shed. Chick, chip. Shack, shall. So you can see I sorted it based on the short A vowel. They could also choose to see the beginning digraphs and sort it accordingly to that, which is also a way to do it, just as long as they are noticing the pattern in each word. Okay, finally we have blind sorts. With blind sorts, a category is given, and instead of the student reading the words from the cards themselves, a partner, teacher, or parent would read the word, and then the student would select the category that it best fit under. This type of sort helps students practice hearing the sounds and the words. For the blind sort, you can just have the headers we listed for the closed sorts, or you can select a word from each category as the header to give something for the student to refer to or an example in each category. Like you would choose 3 words or use these. So I am going to select a card and I would read it out to the student. So shell, and then they would find which one it went under. Shell, they would look ed, l, and they would be thinking that either in their head or out loud, and then they would choose, and then you would put it under there. So next you would read another one, chick, and they would once again decide which category, ick, ip. Finally, you would read a word, chap. They would decide which one that goes under, shall, chap. And you would keep going until all of the cards are under the categories. So these are 3 sorts that you can use to help your students practice their word study words.